Today, I'm going to show you how to forward an email on Yahoo Mail step by step. This is useful when you need to share an important message document or information with someone else without copying everything manually. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech guides. First, open your browser and go to Yahoo Mail, then sign into your account. Once you arrive in your inbox, find the email message that you want to forward and click on it to open the full message view. After the email opens, look at the toolbar above the message and click the forward option. This will create a new email draft that includes the original message so the next person can read everything. Now move to the to field and type the email address of the person you want to forward the message to. If you want, you can also add multiple recipients or include a short note above the forwarded email to explain why you are sending it. You can also highlight or edit parts of the message if you want to draw attention to something important. Finally, review the email. Make sure the recipient address is correct and then click the send button. Yahoo Mail will instantly forward the message to the recipient. And that's it. You now know how to forward emails on Yahoo Mail. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.